skyVac Atom, 1600 watt gutter cleaning machine. The head itself can be unclipped by removing the two clips on the side, and you pick the head up. Just turn the head around, and what you can see is the port where you place the hose when you want to use the blow function. Remember, I said it's a wet and dry machine, so it can also be used for sucking up water as well. It will automatically cut out when the water reaches a certain height. We've also got a cloth filter that fits inside the machine. In general, you should leave this in the machine all the time to protect the motor. We've got a 35 litre drum. Empty's quite simple, you just tip it out. The front entry port is where you place the hose when you wish to suck up through the hose and through the poles. The other equipment that comes with the machine are follows. You've got a camera that mounts on top of the top tool when you're cleaning the gutters, and a monitor that's located on the pole adjacent to yourself so you can see what's going on inside the gutters using the camera. It comes in a bag with a 240 volt plug and also a small plug for putting into a vehicle if you need to. A total of 5 metres of 38mm hose with 2 cuffs on, which I'll explain a little bit more about in a moment. In this particular set, we've got a total of 7 poles. Each pole is 1.5 metres and only weighs 390 grams. Put all 7 poles together and it takes you to a height of 10.5 metres, well over the height of a 3-storey house, about 34 feet. You've got a bag as well, which all the equipment comes in, the skyVac bag, with 2 pockets, one at either end. And then you've got a series of tools. The blue 180 degree hose, the blue 135 degree hose, the stainless steel dirt breaker, the small end tool, which is the one you use the majority of the time. I'll show you a little bit more about that in a minute. Then you've got a crevice tool for getting into tight areas in gutters. And then you've got a small brush, and the brush is used for internal high-level dusting and cleaning. Okay, we've showed you what all the skyVac Atom equipment is, and now we're going to show you how you put everything together. Holding my hand here, I've got the hose. 2 cuffs on the hose, as I mentioned earlier. One cuff goes directly into the machine, and the other cuff goes onto the bottom pole. I'll show you that in a moment. So, push it into the front port, because we're intending to suck, and push and hold, nice airtight fit. To release it, all you do is just pull the button to one side and take it out. And push it in. Okay, now the poles. We have a top pole that's got an orange seal. The orange seal helps keep the hose on nice and tight. So what I'm going to do is put the 135 degrees hose on, because what we intended to do is to clean the gutter up there, which is your normal domestic size gutter. This is the 135 degree hose. Place it on to the top pole and push down so it's nice and tight. It's not going to come off, a nice tight fit. Again, because we've shown you what the gutter is, it's a normal domestic size gutter, so we're going to use what we call nowadays a day tool. The day tool is the tool we use 90% of the time. It's a small black one, about 6 inches long. Normally, it would go in like so, facing that way. However, you can twist it round, and you can have it that way if you need to get into some difficult corners, or you can place it in that way if you need to create an airtight fit and suck up. But generally, that's the way we have it. There's also a selection of other tools I've already pointed out earlier. This is a 135 degree hose. This is used when you haven't got a great deal of space. You may be working in an alleyway. So you can work straight up and you can work straight down. You have a stainless steel dirt breaker, about 6 inches long. Use this for breaking up thick, solidified muck, such as thick grass. I generally suggest you do it after it's raining because it will slice into it a lot easier. We've also got the crevice tool. The crevice tool fits onto the end hose when you need to get into those small tight spaces where there might be tiles or slate hanging down. And for internal cleaning, you've got a small brush. Slightly different, doesn't fit onto any of the hoses. What it will do is fit onto any one of the poles, like so. A nice tight fit. So nice and clean, nice to use to clean those dust and cobwebs away. Okay, so here we've got the house and here we've got the gutter, so we need to get up there to clean it. So we take hold of our top pole that we've now got our cleaning tool on, and I generally suggest is what you do is use the building to build up the equipment. Wouldn't it be useful if you could see what was in the gutter? So before you put it up, you put the camera system on. The camera mounts onto the top hose. At the moment we've got the little welly boot on that keeps it dry if it's raining, and you turn it onto channel 4. The monitor is set for channel 4. Put the boot back on, also protects the small aerial as well. And you just clip it on like so. I generally set it up so this is pointing down at a slight angle, and you can just see, when you see the monitor on, you can just see the tip of the tool, so you can see exactly what you do when you're cleaning. It's a nice tight fit. I'll put the monitor on when I put the bottom pole on, and you'll see how it all works together. So let's build it up, one pole. The way they fit in, one end's tapered, and the thinner tapered end is the non-blue end. And you push it in like so. Pretty difficult to pull apart. However, if you twist and pull, it will come apart. Push it in like a firm handshake, nice and tight, and build it up. One of the reasons we build it up against the wall, or the building we intended to clean, is because if we lay it down on the road, potentially somebody might drive over it if we get distracted. So keep it up all the time against the building we intend to clean. At this height, we're going to be using 3 poles. And I'm going to place it in the gutter. Now, this is where the other cuff comes into play. This cuff fits onto the bottom pole. Like so. Nice tight fit. Again, an airtight fit. This allows you to actually move the equipment around like this, rather than drag the hose around to move the equipment around. That's sitting nicely in the gutter. So what we're going to do now is put the monitor on. And for my height, I'm going to clip it onto the pole just there. 2 switches, one on the side and one on the top. And it allows me to see nicely into the gutter and what I'm cleaning. You'd be surprised to know that in skyVac house, the gutters are nice and clean. To actually use the equipment, you need to plug it into a normal 240 volt household plug. We have 10 metres of cable, and I've got it plugged in at the moment. So to switch it on, I'm just going to press this button down here. When it's sucking, it will try to suck onto the bottom of the gutter. So what you need to do is lift it up and down all the time. Otherwise the tool is just going to be sucking onto the bottom of the gutter. What you need to do is give it the machine the opportunity to work, lift it up and move it along. And I'll show you how to do that now. You can hear the suction, you can hear it trying to suck onto it. So all I'm doing is bouncing it up and down nice and easy, nice and slowly. allowing the machine to work and suck up. The change of pitch tells you that it's locked onto something. In this case, it's the bottom of the gutter. However, it could be a tile, it could be a heavy piece of grass, it could be a heavy piece of stone. Then you just lift it up nice and slowly. The machine will pull it up, and at that point, if it's a big 18 inches worth of grass, you just turn the machine off. The blow function works exactly the same way. All we're going to do is take the cuff out of the suction port and pull it onto the blow port, which is in the head. Fits in exactly the same way. This time there's a red button that you pull to the side, allows you to release it. And again, if you've got light leaves in the gutter and you want to blow them out, or you're using the machine in the garden to blow leaves about, that's all you need to do. So, what I'm going to do is put the machine on again. Not sucking this time, blowing. Blowing the leaves. You see it's trying to lift off the bottom of the gutter with the blow power. And that's how you use the skyVac atom.